Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. Today's drink is officially the Maryland State Flower, and also it's the official drink of the Preakness, right? Horse race. This is the BlackEyed Susan. All right. So first, we're gonna do it in a shaker cup. And I love this one because it seals and doesn't leak. First, we're going to go 2 ounces of bourbon. Any bourbon of your choosing. I'm using Smoke Wagon. Next, 2 ounces of vodka. Next, 2 ounces of Peach Schnapps. That smells good. This is easy to remember because it's mainly 2s. 2 ounces of simple syrup. Again, 2 ounces of simple syrup. Next, 2 ounces of lemon juice. I didn't squeeze my own because I'm out of lemons, but so I got this organic stuff that's close. Last, we're gonna go 4 ounces of orange juice. Give it a little shake. All right, we want to give this a good shake. If Jesus had dreads, he'd shake them. All right. Pour it in a glass with ice. And this is probably enough for 2 drinks easily. And there you have it. A BlackEyed Susan. Let's see what it tastes like. It's a good cocktail. I can see drinking these, watching some horses run around in circles, and losing my money betting on the wrong ones because I had too many of these. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, guys. Cheers.